Welcome everyone in lecture 15 of unit 4, and in this lecture we are going to design PDA for equal, and we already know equal is a context free language, as we can write context free grammar for this language, so we can design push down automata for this language also. In equal it's mean that number of age are equal to number of bees, and equal is differ from A and Bn, because in A and Bn number of age are equal to number of B, but it doesn't contain string like BA, because BA is the part of equal language, because in BA number of A is equal to number of B, but in A and Bn it is order specific. It depend on the order in which input appear, but in equal A can be anywhere, B can be anywhere, but count should be equal. So this is a valid input. AB is also valid input here, but AB is not an input of A and Bn, because in A and Bn we cannot get A after B, but in equal we can get AB. We can get BB, AB. Here also number of A and number of B are equal, and you can get A, B, A, B. Here also number of A are 4, number of B are also 4. So how we can design PDA? Here we need to remember that for every A there is a B, for every B there is A. So we have to match A with B or B with A. Suppose I am taking this input as an example, B, A, B. Here stack is initially having Z0. We get B as a first symbol in input string, so we have to push it. Why we are pushing it into the stack? Because we get a B and we will find a for it. If it is a B, then there must be some A letter in the input string to match with this B. We get a B again, it's mean that we get double B, so we will get double A letter, so we have to push it again into the stack. Now we get A in input and B is on the top, so it is a match. We get A for B, so we will pop it. For this A we get a B on the top, so here we have to pop it. Now for this A, stack will be at initial position again, and you will look carefully. This string is a pair of two equal. This is a equal having 2B 2A. It's a perfect match. Then again we will get a single A. We will push it into the stack. Then we will get B. So this is a match here. This is a match again. So for this B we will pop A. then after and at the end of the input we will get z0 on the top, and it will be accepted. So if you get b initially, you have to push it because you can get a later. If you get b after b, you have to push it because you will get a again in the input later. If you get a and stack is having z0, you have to push this a because you will get b later for it. And suppose this is a input and this is stack, you get a initially, so you have to push it into the stack because you will get b later for it. For this b, there is a match, and we have to pop it. And you look carefully, this is a perfect equal string here, 1a 1b. Now stack will reach to same position z0, and input will have a b b a b. Now this is a, this is z0, you have to push it into the stack, then you will get a again. So you have to push it into the stack because these are 2a, you will get 2b later to match it. So now here you get a b, here a on the top of the stack, so this is a match, here is a match, so we have to pop it. Here b and a on the top of the stack, so this is also a match, so we have to pop it, and you will get ab and stack as z0. And you will look here, it is another pair of equal, first ab then aa bb. Now you get a on input, z0 on stack, so push it because you will get b later for it. Now you get b on input and a on stack, so push, so this is a match, pop it. So you will get end of input and z0 at the top of the stack, so this is a, this will accepted here. So you can get a initially, you can get b after a, you can get b after a, you can then it is a match. If you get a after a, it's mean you have to push it because you will get double b later. If you get b initially, you have to push it because you will get a later. If you get b after b, you have to push it into the stack because you will get double a later. So when you have to pop, when a on the stack, when a is on top and b on input, so here you have to do pop operation. Or when b is on top and a is on input, so here you have to do pop operation. Then string will, if you will at the end of the input, if you get z0 at the top, then input will be accept in this PDA, and you are matching 1a with b or b with a, so at the end count will be equal. So we can design PDA as this is start state, this is first a, and this is stack top initial symbol, so you have to push it into the stack. Then if you get a after a, you have to push it into the stack because you will get some b's later. If you get b as initial and z0 at the top of the stack, you have to push it into the stack because you will get a for this b later in the input. If you get b in the input and b on the top, it also mean you have to push it into the stack, because you will get double A you will get age letter in the input. If you get A on input and B on the top, so this is a match. You are getting input A and B is on the top, so you have to pop it. If you get B on input and A on top, so this is also a match, you have to pop it. And if you get to the end of the input and Z0 at the top, so it will reach to the final state. Here PDA M is equal to having only two state Q0 and Qf, input symbol A comma B, and stack symbol are A, B and Z0. Q0 and transitions are as these, and Q0 is start state, Z0 is stack initial symbol, and Qf is the final state. Why we didn't change the state anywhere? Because in this input you will get this situation as it is initial situation, you get A and Z0 at the top, and after popping this A with this B on this A, you will get same situation again. On this A stack will be at Z0. So you need not to worry about the order, because one equal followed by equal is also equal here. So you will push these and pop with this B, and again this A, you will get the same equal situation where A is on input and Z0 on the top of the stack. So here order is not important, so you need not to change the state. But in A and B N, order is important, because on reading B you have to make sure that you will not read A after reading B. But in equal you can read A after B, you can read B after A. Order is not important, so we need not to change the state here. Thanks for attending the lecture, and this will be the final PDA for equal language.